Hey there, I'm Natasha Antonioni, a realtor and intentional interior designer located here in Austin, Texas. I am so excited to be sharing this 5-part series on how to manifest your dream home. Today's session is step 3 on sensory embodiment. So if you've missed steps 1 and 2, make sure to go back and check those out and then find us here for step 3. So number 3, sensory embodiment. What does it feel like to be in this home? What is the difference between the home that you're currently in and the feeling that you have in this future home? I want you to feel that new rug under your feet and the texture of it. What does it feel like to cook in that spacious kitchen or garden in your beautiful new backyard? Or what are those new sofa pillows going to be? And what do they feel like when you rest against them? You want to really get into the meditation of what the space feels like. That will attract it to you sooner. So I love this idea. Meditation has been this concept where we kind of like sit and we become quiet, right? Yes, it's still that. That's one version. There's another version called active meditation, which I am really into right now. And that is where we are getting into the visions of what we want to create. And we're putting ourselves there. We are living inside that reality for the 5, 10, 20 minutes, however long you choose to do it. But if you can give yourself the gift of sensory experiences for that future home on a daily basis. So it could look as simple as this. You have your vision board on your wall, or you've printed out your Canva vision board and you have it as your screensaver. And when you look at it first thing in the morning, you just take 1 minute to feel the joy that you're going to feel in that new home. So, quick story, when I had my Range Rover in 1995, we used to call it my living room because it was so huge and I used to bump into things all the time. I knew it was time to get a new car when I would go to start it, and about 20% of the time it just wouldn't start. I brought it into the shop, I had it towed, all the things. I loved that car, but it was time for a new vehicle. And I was kind of at this place where I didn't have all the income for the car that I was hoping to have, but I held the faith and I would drive that wobbly all over the road Range Rover, and I would get into the sensory experience of a brand new vehicle that I could count on, that was reliable, that I felt safe driving, that was affordable with my budget. And I brought myself into these high states of joy. I even imagined what the steering wheel felt like. And I would just drive my car in this state as much as I could possibly keep myself there. And I remember I started doing this, and I think it was maybe 9 days later, I pulled off the Mercedes lot with a brand new Mercedes. They happened to have a deal that was like right in my budget, exactly in my budget, and it was a brand new car. It was the first brand new car of my adult life, and it was such a powerful moment because I knew that I drew that vehicle to me. I didn't know what kind of car I wanted. All I knew was that it was going to give me the safety, the consistency, it was going to work with my budget, and it was going to feel amazing. So sensory, embody the sensory elements of your future home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some good takeaways today. And next week, we have step 4, taking actionable steps to achieve your goal. So make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe below so you get notified when our next video comes out. We'll see you soon. Bye.